Hello friends, welcome to Canadian Nest. In the previous video, we discussed about is Canada going to stop immigration after 2020 or after this COVID-19. So if you haven't checked this video, you can check here, the link will be floating somewhere here. In this video, I will be talking about minimum wages across different provinces and territories in Canada. I will also let you know in which province the minimum wage is high and where it is low. I will also talk about the median hourly wages which were recently increased for each province and territory, and how often minimum wage increments happen. Are they annually or they happen once every 2 years? In the end, I will let you know few astonishing facts about wages in Canada. So do watch this video till the end and hit subscribe button if you like this video. This video will help you decide which province will be better for you in terms of income and where you can earn more and save more. So stick around and enjoy this video. Do like and share if you found this video interesting, and also let me know in the comment section. So firstly, let's check minimum wages across Canada. In Alberta, it's $15 per hour. In British Columbia, it's $14.6 per hour. In Manitoba, it's $11.65 per hour. In New Brunswick, it's $11.7 per hour. In Newfoundland and Labrador, it's $11.65 per hour. In Northwest Territories, it's $13.46 per hour. In Nova Scotia, it's $12.55 per hour. In Nunavut, it's $13 per hour. In Ontario, it's $14 per hour. In Prince Edward Island, it's $12.85 per hour. In Quebec, it's $13.10 per hour. In Saskatchewan, it's $11.32 per hour. In Yukon, it's $13.71 per hour. So now let's sort these values and see which province has the highest minimum wage and which is paying the lowest minimum wage. So the highest paying province is Alberta with $15 per hour. Second comes British Columbia with $14.6 per hour. At third, it's Ontario, $14 per hour. And after that, it's Yukon, $13.71 per hour. Next comes Northwest Territories, it's $13.46 per hour. And after that, it's Quebec, $13.10 per hour. Next one following is Nunavut, $13 per hour. Prince Edward Island comes next with $12.85 per hour. Nova Scotia comes next with $12.55 per hour. New Brunswick stands at $11.7 per hour. Manitoba is the third last with $11.65 per hour. Newfoundland and Labrador has the same $11.65 per hour. Saskatchewan is the lowest at $11.32 per hour. So here you can see Alberta tops this list and Saskatchewan is at the lowest of it. So Alberta, British Columbia, Ontario, these are the big provinces which are paying the highest minimum wages across Canada. Median hourly wages. Median hourly wage is the average hourly rate of employees. Median hourly wages have gone up in the most Canadian provinces and territories recently. Canadian employers who are hiring foreign employees use the provincial and territorial median hourly wage to know which requirements they have to meet for the temporary foreign worker program. The wage they are offering and the location for the position determines if the employers need to apply for a Labour Market Impact Assessment, that is LMIA, under the stream for high wage or low wage positions. The new median wage requirements went into effect on May 11, 2020. So let's check out the new chart. In this chart, you can see the median hourly wages which were before May 11, 2020 and the new wages which were implemented after May 11, 2020. For almost all provinces, these wages are increased except Nova Scotia and Yukon Territory. Apart from that, every province has little bit increased the median hourly wages. Minimum wage increments. For most provinces, it's generally an annual increase effective from April 1st, 2020. For some, it's already updated wages. For specific details, you can check individual province and territories website, or you can check Retail Council of Canada website. I will provide the link in the description of this video. So let's see for some provinces how these wage increments will happen. So for British Columbia, it is going to be increased on June 1st, 2021 from $14.6 to $15.2.
For Manitoba, it is going to be increased on October 1st of 2020, this year only, from 11.65 to 11.9. For Newfoundland and Labrador Territory, it's going to be increased on October 1st, 2020, from 11.65 to 12.15. For Ontario, it's going to be increased on October 1st, 2020, from $14 to $14.25. For Northwest Territories, the regulation in Northwest Territories does not specify that there must be an annual increase. For Nova Scotia, the minimum wage will move to $13.10 on April 1st, 2021. So this is how some provinces decide when they are going to increase the minimum wage and how much it will be increased. Now let's move to some astonishing facts about wages in Canada. So the first fact is the minimum wage in Saskatchewan will be going up in October, but it will still remain the lowest in Canada. Second, Newfoundland and Labrador has the second lowest at $11.65 an hour, and this is a territory. Third, Alberta has the highest minimum wage at $15 per hour. Fourth, despite the pandemic situation, British Columbia, BC increased the minimum wage as planned. Fifth, Ontario is the only province where age can affect your minimum wage. Like for students who are working, the minimum wage is little less. Sixth, there are several provinces that guarantee a yearly increase based on the cost of living. So most of the provinces try to increase the wage yearly, but there could be some exceptions. Seventh, unpaid internships are legal in Canada. If an internship is paid, it has to be abided by the minimum wage set for the province. Eighth, all permanent residents are able to apply for national health care regardless of their income. Income doesn't affect a Canadian resident's ability to get medical necessary care. Ninth, Canada's minimum wage is slightly higher, approximately $1 than USA.
I hope you liked this one. Give your feedbacks and suggestions in the comment section below, and hit the subscribe button as well if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, as many videos are coming every week. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.